Vamos para mais um vídeo no canal. Já vai se inscrevendo.
Opponents best beware. Cody Rhodes is dangerous and relentless. Both are qualities that can make trouble for the heroes of WWE. It's show-off time. Don't waste time gloating here. He's in the driver's seat. Oh, look at the emotion. Playing mind games. Yeah, a little intimidation there. Oh, reversal. Oh, and he gets out of the way. Man, what impact from that suplex. Dashing Cody Rhodes taking a moment here to appreciate his handiwork. Oh my gosh! And there goes Rollins. Oh man, Rollins was dropped like a sack of potatoes. Ah! And can you believe that impact? Did you see that? Oh, talk about getting your spine adjusted. Jeez. Did you see that? That was unreal. Wow, what a drop kick. Talk about getting your spine adjusted. Jeez. Ow! And he collapses down to the floor. He's enjoying this. Up and fist to the gut. Ooh, that big right hand driven right into the rib. Oh! We all know that one of the most important things for the success of any WWE superstar is to have an effective finishing move. And Cody Rhodes developed his finisher, Crossroads, specifically for his career in WWE. No wonder. He drive opponents' faces into the mat so quickly. Watch it. Ooh! And again, the feet fly. He's got him. Not only did Cody reverse that, but he looked pretty good doing it. How awesome was that? Ooh, a little showboating going on here. No! The seesaw battle has changed again. An impact to the knee. You know, talking finishers, the Crossroads from Cody Rhodes is without a doubt one of the nastiest finishing moves in WWE today. The move has brought Cody victory on every continent, and I'm sure it'll bring him more of that WWE Championship gold. Heads up! Uh-oh! Look at those eyes. Oh yeah, this could be big. Look at Cody Rhodes. It's coming. Are you kidding me? Devastating. Simply devastating. One more time for everyone at home. There's a cover. 2, 3. And Cody Rhodes.
Tchau.